Hello, my name is Jorlenis. I'm going to talk about a program design. Program design, the activity of progressing from a specification of some required program to a description of the program itself. And most fast models of the software life cycle recognize program design as one of the phases. The input to this phase is a specification of what the program is required to do. During the phase, the design decisions are made as to how the program will meet these requirements, and the output of the phase is a description of the program in some form that provides a suitable basis for subsequent implementation. Frequently, the design phase is divided into two sub-phases. One of course architectural design and one of detailed design. The architectural design produces a description of the program at a gross level. It is normally given in terms for the major components of the program and their interrelationships, the main algorithms that these components employ, and the major data structures. And the details design then refines the architectural design to the stage where actual implementation can begin. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Christopher Severino. I talking about web design. Web design encompasses many different skills and disciplines in the production and maintenance of websites. The different areas of the web design include web graphic design, interface design, authority, include standard design, code, proprietary software, user experiences design, and shared energy optimization. Of the many individual will work the team in covering different aspects of the design process. Each how some design will cover things are. The term web design is normally used to describe the design process relative to the front end client side. Design of websites include writing makeup web design, partly overlaps web engineering. In the broader scope of the web development, web designers are expected to have awareness of usually, and if the role involves creating makeup that they are also expected to be up to date with web accessibility wilderness.
Hello, my name is Ismael de los Santos, and I'm going to be talking about computer languages. And my registration number is 2018-7213. So let's begin. What's a computer language? A computer language is the system of communication with a computer. A computer cannot understand any commands that you may give in English or in other language because it has its own set of instructions for communication. And that's why the user must be able to communicate with the computer with commands and understand the output that the computer is going to generate. Basically, there are two main categories of computer languages, named low-level language and high-level language. So let's take a look about this. And a low-level language is the basic computer instruction of, or better known as machine codes. A computer cannot understand an instruction, as we said, and these low-level languages are very easily to and understandable by the machine. Why? Because it's binary, and that's why it's not very understandable by us. And the main function of a low-level language is to interact with the hardware of a computer. And they help in operating, syncing, and managing all the hardware and system components of the computer. Now let's talk about a high-level language. When we talk about high-level language, we talk about programming. We talk about some languages as Pascal, Fortran, C++, and some other languages that you know. The important feature about this is that they allow the programmer to write programs for all types of computers and systems. Every instructions in high-level language is converted to the machine language for the computer to comprehend. And scripting languages are very essentially programming languages. These languages employ a high-level construct which allows it to interpret and execute one command at a time. And there's another type of language that is object-oriented. These high-level languages that focus on the objects rather than the actions. To accomplish this, the focus will be on data than logic. The reasoning behind is that the programmers really cares about the object they wish to manipulate that rather than the logic needed to manipulate them. Some examples include Java, C++, Python, and Swift. That's all.
Hi, my name is Esmerlin Borges Corporan. I'm a student from the Institute of Technology of Americas, ITLA. And now I'm going to talk about desktop publishing. Well, what is desktop publishing, or DTP? Desktop publishing is the creation of documents using page layout softwares on a personal desktop computer. It was the first almost exclusively for print and publications, but now it also aids in the creation of various forms of online content. Desktop publishing can generate layouts and produce typographic quality, text and image comparable to traditional typography and printing. Desktop publishing is also the main reference for digital typography. This technology allow individuals, businesses, and the other organizations to self-publish wide variety of content, from menus to magazine to books, without expense of commercial writing. Desktop publishing was the first developed and set up Spark in 1917. A contradictory claim states that desktop publishing began 1983 with a program developed by James Davis at community newspaper in Philadelphia. The program type processor ran on PC using a graphic card for a WYSEWYG display and was offered commercially by Best Info in 1984.
Hello, my name is Karina Montero and my number registration is 2018-6814, and I'm going to talk about desktop publishing. Why is important desktop publishing? Desktop publishing and strong graphic designs make documents look better, but there's more to desktop publishing than only appearance. Used properly, desktop publishing enhances visual communication and streamlines the process of disseminating information of all kinds. Desktop publishing is important as a tool that enhances communication by making it possible to efficiently produce printed and electronic without expensive equipment that was once required. Although skilled graphic designers use desktop publishing, so do small business, freelancers, website owners, and club presidents. Desktop publishing is a desirable skill set. Desktop publishing has a lot of advantages, like increased productivity, reduced production cost, reduced time to print, enhances creativity with an element of fun, ability to produce customized documents, so on. Desktop publishing has some disadvantages. First is the price of the hardware and software that need to be bought in order to do a good job of desktop publishing. Second is the training that will need the staff or the personnel because they need to learn the use of the software and the hardware.